Welcome back to the channel. If you are into fashion design or digital illustration, you need to check out lookfashion.ai. In today's video, I'll show you how to download, install, and link it with Procreate in real time. Yes, real-time fashion rendering. Let's go. First, open your browser and go to lookfashion.ai. Click Free Trial in the upper right corner of the official website. Now click the download button on the left the system. This works on Mac and Windows. After download, run the installer. For Mac, just drag it into Applications. For Windows, follow the usual installer steps. It will take some time. Search for lookfashion.ai in your laptop. Click and open. Sign up with your email and verify it. Start exploring. Click the plus sign or create a new project. Click the real-time design feature at the top of the left bar. Follow the instruction which they already giving. Let's follow the steps in our iPad. Click on the screen mirroring connection. Important thing, your laptop ID and iPad ID should be the same, then only it will directly appear in your laptop. Now in computer, click Next. If you want to crop or want to leave as it is all up to you. Click Start Designing. Now you are all set. Any design or AI-enhanced fashion render you create in Lookfashion will appear live in Procreate. No exports, no back and forth. And that's it. You've now connected lookfashion.ai to Procreate like a pro. If this helped, go ahead and like this video, hit subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a full Procreate workflow tutorial next.